Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to review how to subtract multi-digit numbers with regrouping. I know after grading the homework, some of us struggled just a little bit on when we had more than one zero, so we're going to specifically look at those problems in this screencast video. So if you take a look at my first slide, you should see a problem that says 60,000 minus 49,995. The most important piece right here is the piece that I just kind of highlighted and I'm kind of scrolling around. The larger number must always be on top when we're subtracting. So checking that first, 60,000 is greater than 49,000, so we are in good shape so far. When there is not enough to subtract, you need to borrow from the next place value over. So when we go to take a look at our ones, our tens, our hundreds, if we don't have enough to subtract on the top, we will go over to the next place value to borrow. If the next place value has nothing to borrow, we're going to keep moving place values until one of them does have enough. So this is kind of the place that I found that we got stuck. So we're going to go ahead and get started. For this problem, I just want you to watch me. So you don't have to write anything at all. You're just going to watch me solve. So I'm going to use a different color so that you can kind of see the work that I'm doing. I'm going to draw a line underneath for my subtraction problem. Again, you guys don't have to do this one. You'll be practicing in the next problem. When I go to my ones place, which is right here, I have 0 ones minus 5 ones. I can't take away 5 ones if I don't have any ones to begin with. So I'm going to move over to the tens place to borrow. I don't have any tens. So what do I do for my step right here? Says keep moving until we have enough to borrow. So I'm going to keep on moving. No hundreds, no thousands. Oh, 10,000s. I do have some 10,000s that I can borrow and share. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one 10,000 away, and then I'm going to give that to my thousands place. But now I still have the problem of having no hundreds. So I'm going to borrow one of those thousands to give to my hundreds place. Then I run into that problem again. I still don't have any thousands. I'm sorry, not thousands. I still don't have any tens to share. So I'm going to take one of those hundreds and give him to my tens. And then finally, to kind of reshare with my ones, I'm going to take away one of those tens and I'm going to make my ones place able to subtract. So now I have 10 ones minus 5 ones, which gives me 5. I have 9 tens minus 9 tens, which gives me 0 tens left. I have 9 hundreds minus 9 hundreds, which gives me 0. Don't forget your comma. 9 thousands minus 9 thousands gives me 0 thousands left. And 5 10,000s minus 4 10,000s gives me 1 10,000 left. So my answer, my difference should be 10,005. Okay, so now you guys are going to try this one with me. This will be in your math notebook. It should be glued in by now. If it's not, pause the video and make sure that you get this glued in now. So this is the guided practice. You're going to complete this one with me. You guys can pause the video at any time if I'm moving too fast. So I'm going to choose a different color. I'm going to draw my line, and here we go. I don't have any ones to subtract. So I need to keep moving place values until I have some value in a place to kind of share with the rest of my values. So I have no ones, no tens, no hundreds, no thousands. Again, I have to go all the way over to the 10,000s. I'm going to borrow one of those 10,000s and give it to my thousands place. I'm going to take one of those thousands and give it to my hundreds place. I'm going to take one of those hundreds and give it to my tens. And then finally, I'm going to take one of those tens and give it to my ones. So now I'm all ready to subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 tens minus 9 tens, 0 tens. 9 hundreds minus 9 hundreds, 0 hundreds. Don't forget your comma. 9 thousands minus 9 thousands, 0 thousands. 4 10,000s minus 4 10,000s, 0. So what do we really have here? We really have 5 left. So in your notes, if you want to go ahead and erase, I'm going to erase these zeros because they look confusing to me, because really the difference is 50,000 minus 49,995 is really just 5. So I'm going to leave it at that. Now, what I want you guys to do is you're going to complete these problems next. These are the independent practice problems on your screencast notes for your interactive notebook. You are going to complete these, and then the very next slide, you're going to check your own work. You're going to correct it if it's incorrect, and that's what I'm going to be looking for in your math notebook at the end of the station. So at the very end of the station, when I say time is up, you're going to put your math notebook on the back countertop so that I can check your work and see where to go from here. You can replay and revisit this video and look at any part of it that you want as many times as you want until something is a little bit more clear for you. If it's not, we can go over it in class again together. Thanks for watching.